Technician menu. To begin Technician menu, first press and hold the up arrow until the display prompts you to enter your code. Enter the default password by pressing, in order, light, up, down, and enter. Temp unit. This option allows you to select either Fahrenheit or Celsius. This selection will affect all system parameters. To change the temp type, press the up or down arrow, then press enter. Probe adjust. This option allows the temperature to be adjusted to a calibrated thermometer. This function could become necessary, given the location of the probe coupled with traffic and other operational variables that may cause a rise in temperature near the door. The default range is from -15 to 15 degrees Fahrenheit. To change the temperature, press the up or down arrow, then press enter. Door switch. This option allows the door switch to be turned on or off. As the door switch operates the automatic light function and the alarm, it is Thermo-Kool's recommendation that the door switch remain on. To select yes or no, press the up or down arrow, then press enter. Door switch type. This option allows you to select the type of door switch from normally closed to normally open, as the default setting is normally closed. To select the type, press the up or down arrow, then press enter. Door alarm time. This option allows you to select the duration of time between which the door is detected as open and when the alarm sounds. The default range is from 0 to 60 minutes. To select minutes, press the up or down arrow, then press enter. Dry contact reset. This option allows you to reset the dry contact after an alarm has been initiated. If no is selected, then the dry contact will change status and remain in the new position until the alarm is resolved. If yes is selected, then the dry contact will change status, but will change back to the original status. To select yes or no, press the up or down arrow, then press enter. Motion detection. This option allows you to turn motion detection on or off. It allows for the proper function of the automatic lights as well as resets the timer if motion is detected. To select yes or no, press the up or down arrow, then press enter. Event time interval. This option allows you to select the interval at which the unit records information for HACCP documentation. The default range is from 1 to 60 minutes. To select minutes, press the up or down arrow, then press enter. Clear event. This option allows you to clear events. To select yes or no, press the up or down arrow, then press enter. At this time, the control will return to the temperature display.